Game 7.1 surround gaming headset. Well, huge manual. Very nice punch. Smells good. And headphones. Wired, not wireless. So there's a little wire in the middle. Yes. In the box we also have a mic. And the remote is that plastic, that nice. It feels nice in the hand. Such a. Any buttons on it? No. No. I guess not. Huge mics. I think those are mics. And the hole for the mic. Remote. We have 7.1 huge button, plus minus, equalizer, indicators for movie, game, and music. And on the other side, cancellation microphone. Well, mute microphone. Get out. This is how they look like. Shining. Cool. What a surprise with a microphone. It sounds really good. And I'm on the 55% gain. If I go all the way to 100, that's 100 gain. Let me just bring the mic a little bit closer. Not too close, but yeah, I'm talking normally, but I think 100 is a bit too much. Let me go down to 70% for the gain, and let me go a little lower, 20% for the gain, and let me speak a bit louder. 20% for the gain, 20% for the gain, 20% for the built-in. Okay, those are not built-in. I mean, it is a microphone which don't have a light. I'm not sure why there's no light. Let me go up to 50%. There is no light. There's a light on the side, one side and another, but there is no light on the mic itself. But it sounds great. Do you hear any noise? Touching the mic, I do have a mute button on the remote. Let me just press that mute button. Hear me? Oh, so it will go red when it's mute. So there you go. That's the light. When it's mute, it's going to red. And this is how it sounds like on 50% and 80%. I think it sounds really good. You see, most of the headsets like that, especially an expensive one, has terrible microphones. This one is still usable. I like it.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
come on, you guys, let's go.
or captures the full extent
Secret
of nature's fury.
Tears microphones. Woo, loud. Leakage. We are in movie mode. 7.1. Oh, much better without it. With the music. A lot of highs. Switching to the game mode. And you can control the Mac volume with that remote. Cool. bassy in the game, and cool in the music. All right, the sound itself. They are definitely colder. It's definitely cold sound. It's not warm and bassy. I mean, you have a little bit of bass in the game mode, but yeah, the advantage is the highs and mids. They are a little bit overwhelming. At least for me, I prefer warmer sound, but personal preference. So, what do we have? We do have 3 different settings. We do have a very loud and super control, because we can control that mic with the remote. Also clicky, very comfortable, great microphone, really great microphone. I think it's really good for gamers, because you want to hear that sound coming from the back when you're shooting somewhere, whatever, games. For movies, also pretty good. For music, now I'll go with something more, well, personal preference. I prefer more bass. Anyway, in this price range, I don't think you can get anything better. 2-meter cable, sleeve cable, really good quality. Nothing is squeaking here. Very comfortable, light. Thumbs up. Link in the description. See you next video.